Page 295, number 12. And number 12 says that a circular lawn is surrounded by a flower bed of uniform width if the flower bed has an area of 36 square meters and the radius of the entire garden is 8 meters. Find the width of the flower bed and tell me how on earth anybody could ever cut the lawn if it's in the middle of a flower bed. But I guess that's besides the point. Let's draw that out. First of all, we have a lawn and we have a flower bed. I'm going to call the flower bed F and the lawn L, just so that we have it labeled. Now it says that the width of the entire garden is 8 meters. And the flower bed area, F, equals 36 meters squared. So 36 square meters is this outside donut here. We don't know exactly where this line is. We don't know where the border between the lawn and the flower bed actually is. But it's asking you, find the width of the flower bed. When it says the width of the flower bed, I don't know whether it's talking about the radius or the diameter, but as long as we specify in the answer, that should be... Oh, wait a minute, sorry. The width of the flower bed, so obviously it's talking about this donut section here, not the lawn. Okay, so we know that the area of a circle is pi r squared. That's the area of a circle. So the flower bed is 36 meters squared. We can figure out the grand total here, the grand total area, and we could subtract the 36 meters squared, and that would give us the area of the lawn. And once we know the area of the lawn, we can reverse engineer this formula to find out what this distance is here, subtract it from the 8, and that gives us this distance here. So I'm going to call this distance here x, because it's going to be important for us to figure out that, which is the radius of the lawn. And we know that the width of the flower bed, will be 8 minus x. That's the width of the flower bed. So, what do we know? We know that the area of lawn is pi r squared here, so 64 pi is the radius of the whole thing. So this is the area of the entire thing is going to be 64 pi, because 8 squared times pi is 64 pi. So 64 pi minus 36 equals area of lawn. Okay, so I'll put that in there. Those are all constants. I mean, it's not, there are no variables in there. So we take the area of the lawn, and see x here. Pi x squared equals the area of the lawn as well. 64 pi minus 36. So if we can solve for x, we can simply subtract x from 8, and we will have the width of the flower bed.